Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to take a look at another new Sony TV. This time it is the A80J. It is the entry point for the Sony OLEDs for 2021. Comes right before the A90J, and it's going to be replacing the A8H. So we're going to open up the box, take a look and see what comes inside, and then give you our first impressions of the pictures, so stay tuned. So here's all the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got the pedestal feet, then we've got a remote with some batteries, a little power cord management clip, the power cord itself, and some paperwork. Okay, so we've got the TV all set up on its stand. Now this particular model, you have 3 different configurations to choose from. We've gone with the widest one, but they also have one that allows it to sit up a little bit higher to fit a soundbar in front of it, and there's another that actually moves the feet a little closer together. The screws are actually built into the pedestal feet, so if you open the box and you are choosing one of those different configurations, make sure you remember that you're not going to get a packet of screws in the box. They actually already come on it, so you might have to take them out, as a matter of fact. But first impressions are, this is a fantastic picture. We weren't expecting anything less, really. We saw the A90J a little earlier, and it's amazing. This really kind of follows suit. Inputs are actually the same as you get on the A90J, so it does share a lot of the same features. You just have different pedestal configurations. Some of the audio stuff is different. We're going to go over all that in our full overview of the A80J, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.